Say hello to the puppy again. Hello, puppy. Isn't she cute? Isn't she cute? I love her. I get to spend all evening alone with her, with nobody else to take her attention away from me. She's cute. I found that she has a new toy. Do you like it? Do you like it? Isn't it cool? Also, I just randomly, she was lying. You were just lying like this. You were lying like this. And I was like, oh, toy. It makes noise. Is it exciting? Is it exciting? She doesn't know what to do with it. Baby. Puppy, sweetheart, come here. Lie down, lie down. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Here, I'll give it to you. Here you go. I didn't know this was going to be so much fun. Can you see her? She's like, what do I do with it? Do you want it? Do you want it? Okay, I think it's scaring her. No, come on, it's okay. I won't squeeze it anymore. Here. Okay, come on, come here. Come here, lay down. Come on, baby. Come on. I'll leave it alone. I'll leave it alone. Here you go. There you go. There you go. No, she's just lying down. Okay, I think that was enough excitement for this evening.